Full self-driving on the Cybertruck. You see a little icon right there? We are full self-driving right now. It's navigating to our location. We're going to Costco right now, and this thing is driving itself. The Cybertruck can drive itself. The only truck in the world that can drive itself. I think that makes the Cybertruck the coolest truck. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. Oh, look, it navigates around this guy. What? Oh, very smart. And then it goes back in. Oh, I love it. It knows how to drive. Oh my God, there's a cop. There's a cop. There's a cop. There's a cop. It's fine. I pretend to have my hand on the steering wheel, and we're all good. All right, we're gonna make a turn up here. Let's see how well it makes this turn for me. All right, it's nice, nice, nice. I can move my video up here. I can see my visualization. It looks very good. See that visualization with the rainbow road? It sees all the lights. It sees that they're red. It makes a stop right there, and it's gonna see if this car's moving. If it's not, it's gonna drive. Go, 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 go. You can do it. You can do it. You should drive. You should drive. Oh, it didn't drive. It didn't drive. It could have. It could have driven, but it didn't do it. So we're gonna push it a little bit. I'm just gonna gas it and let it go right here. And yep, I gassed it and it takes control. It's turning and it's good. There we go. And it does a nice speed right there. It picks up the speed and we're good. We're smooth. I like it. This is the future right here. A Cybertruck that drives itself. Let me know in the comments down below. Is this awesome or what? This is a Cybertruck with full self-driving. Finally! Oh, and auto stop right there. Oh my gosh, that stop is kind of rough. It's kind of rough. I would say it's a little bit rougher, but still pretty smooth. Still good, right? Comment down below. Oh yeah.